Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and you always need a bathroom mirror, right? You need it for shaving, for brushing your teeth, for fixing your hair, for doing all kinds of things. This Keonjinn 32-inch backlit mirror. What's really cool about it is it has 3 different settings on the color of the light that you can get to the mirror, so different like temperatures. And so it can give you a better idea of what you look like in different light, and make sure that you're ready to go out the door and presenting the best possible picture to the world. The other thing that it is better than your standard bathroom mirror is the installation. The installation was a lot easier with this because it has one hanging bracket with 2 screws. It came with the mollies that it needed. I was able to put a level on it, put it up on the wall, and just hang it, as opposed to the traditional bathroom mirror, which has the little pegs, and you got to do all 4 of them. You got to make sure they're straight with each other, and it can be a real pain. But not the case with this Keonjinn. So the other thing that I like about it too is it has an anti-fog feature, because if you have it in a bathroom, a small one, a large one, doesn't matter. After you get out of the shower, when you're most likely trying to get ready to go somewhere or do something and you need the mirror, it's all foggy and you either have to wait or rub it out or whatever. But this has an anti-fog feature. The other thing that I like about it too is it has a frame on it. Our old bathroom mirror in here did not have a frame on it. So it looks almost incomplete, but when it has a frame on it, it looks nice. We got the gold frame, which goes really well with our decor in this particular bathroom. It's more of a European style. And so that gold border really shows that it's a complete mirror, that it was planned, and it goes nicely with what we've got going on. So that's what I liked about this Keonjinn 32-inch backlit mirror, and that's my point of view.